In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales receipt efficiently and accurately. Now, understanding how to complete this task is essential if you want to ensure your records are up to date and your transactions are smoothly documented. First things first, let's dive right into the process. We begin by navigating to the main dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Click plus New button. This button is your gateway to starting a variety of new transactions, but today we are focusing on the sales receipt. Selecting this option will open up a new window where you will be able to input necessary transaction details. Moving on to the next part, you'll want to enter the customer's details. This is crucial for making sure you attribute the sales receipt to the correct person or company. Carefully input the customer's information, ensuring that everything is spelled correctly and matches your records. As you fill in these details, double-check entries such as customer names and contact details for accuracy, as misunderstandings later might cause confusion or errors in transactions. After that, it's time to switch the focus to capturing the sales details. Here you'll be specifying what products or services were involved in this transaction. Be precise and clear. This will help in avoiding any misunderstandings down the road when both parties need to reconcile their finances. Ensure you include all line items, accurately portray quantities, and importantly, make sure the pricing is correct. Accurate entries at this stage will prevent any hiccups later on in the process. Now let's talk about the payment method and amount. This step is where you outline how the customer has or will be paying for these items or services. You may have various options like card, cash, or check, so make sure you select the method that corresponds with the actual transaction. Enter the amount of the transaction accurately to maintain the integrity of your financial records. This is vital for ensuring that both your bookkeeping and your customers' records align perfectly. Finally, once all the details have been entered and double-checked, it's time to save your work. Clicking Save and Close not only ensures that none of your hard work goes to waste, but it also signifies the completion of this task. By clicking this, you're updating your system to reflect the new transaction, which is crucial for keeping track of sales and revenue accurately. And there you have it, a comprehensive breakdown on how to create a sales receipt. Following these instructions closely will safeguard the integrity of your transactions and ensure your financial records remain organized. I hope this guide has been helpful for you and encourages a smoother workflow in your business operations. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks.